Hey friends and neighbors, your old friend Curtis here. You know, I was having some problems with my Honda Odyssey. It's a 2007 and I was having some problems with it. I mashed the little door thing for the door to open, and it's opening, start closing back, and having some problems with it, and it just didn't feel very secure. And then it got to the point where it would open and it wouldn't shut. And then we just having a lot of problems with the automatic door openers. So anyway, here's the deal. I went to Amazon. I'm going to show you, this is the part here that came off of it. This is the side roller that helps the automatic door open. It's supposed to have some little turners or little wheels. Well, they're gone. That's why it wouldn't work anymore. But when I went to Amazon, I saw that I could get 2 of these for like $26 plus tax. I thought, wow. And everywhere else was like, if you call these auto stores around here, between $50 to $60 a piece. I thought, yeah, but these things are probably gonna be made cheap. I thought, well, hey, it's Amazon. If I don't like it, I'll send it back. Well, I've replaced it, and I had to turn it from automatic to manual, and it works like a dream. I thought, hey, I made the wise move here. The door opens so smooth and everything. So I'm going to show you how to do the driver's side. The driver's side I don't really have any problems with, but I'm going to probably have problems with. We have a little bit here now. I'm going to tell you something though. My cousin, her Honda, she's driving down the road one day. Her baby's in the back. The door just came up open automatically. So that's how dangerous it is. So, and the babies could not have touched it to open up. It just did it on its own out of nowhere. So it's not really safe in my opinion. So I'm going to show you how to replace this. It's so simple, it's easy, and I'm not a mechanic. I've got dirt under my fingernails right now because I did the first one. But hey, come with me and I'm going to show you how easy this really is, and it doesn't take a long time. And I'll show you the tools I need right here real quick. Okay, here's the tools you're going to need. First, I'm going to need some WD-40, a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, a little bitty tiny screwdriver, and I'll show you why in a minute. Wire cutters, I think that's a 10mm socket, and there is a, let me see, I think it's a 12mm. Yeah, and a 10mm and a 12mm. And I'll show you why you're going to need this stuff. All right, let's go. Okay, first got to take out these little panels right here. Just pop them out here, not too hard. But hold on, you look on there, you'll see 2 little screws. All right, let me get those out. I'll get my Phillips head screwdriver. Ain't too hard to get out. All right, go down here, the next one. Okay, and go over here to this panel over here. There we go. Come out. Okay, now over here, gotta pop off this panel here. Yeah, be careful. Oh, there we go. Wow. Alright, just let it dangle. Now, yeah, it would have been nice to use my power socket. But this is good too. This works. Now. Okay, now you also have to remove a screw. You have to open up the doors inside the door. It's a little screw back there. I gotta take out. I'm gonna see it right there. Yeah, I can't really work with it good, so I'm going to take this out, turn off the camera, and I'll be right back as soon as I get the screw out. Okay, got the screws out, and this panel right here, you have to grab under here You get this panel, it slides. You don't pry it up. Don't do that, you're gonna break something. So get it and slide it toward the driver's seat and it'll come right off. Pretty as you please. So whatever you do, do not get under there with a screwdriver. See this little thing right there? It'll break it. So anyway, so you get that off. See this right here? Here comes the fun part. I'm gonna have to cut that cable. So let me go get my wire cutters and I'll be right back. Okay, I want you to listen to this grind here. I want you to listen. See that? Hear that? That's not supposed to sound like that. So now, what we're going to do, we're going to make this thing manual. So we are going to cut this right here. So it'll be safe. And you don't have to worry about it just coming open automatically. So, got the trusty old wire cutters. Here's what I'm going to do though. Okay, I'm going to get this here. We're going to cut this. It's pretty tight. Now here's the thing. When I cut this cable is going to retract back into this thing here. And if it don't, I'll cut it closer. Let's see here. Okay, yeah. All right, well, I just pulled on it, came off the rest of the way. It didn't retract all the way into there, but hey, it's out of the way. That's good. Okay, now we just got to pull this cable, get it out of here, out of the way. Okay, now you want to prop this door. Now you could use a jack, but hey, I've got stuff that's kind of handy. As long as it lift the door up just a little bit. See, you just don't want it to fall down. Now, we're going to take this off now. Okay, bring it in here. Okay. Not too hard, you know. Get the other one. I gotta get me an extension. So you're gonna need an extension. Okay, I had to get a smaller ratchet. There we go. A little bit of pressure. Okay. Anyway, these two bolts here. Take them out. Get these two out and I'll be right back. Okay, got those out. Now, here's the thing. Get this. Just lift it out. You see here the cable's holding it. I gotta cut the cable on the other side, or let me see if I can just get this out from where it's supposed to be. There. Now, look at there. The wheels are just totally gone. This thing has been just, whew. I don't even know how this door even opened. It's just like the other one. But now, okay, we're going to have to remove this little C clamp here. And the other one wasn't too hard to get up, but you have to use some WD-40. So let's go to that now. Okay, get this little clamp off here. Little tiny screwdriver. Okay, got this off here. Now, don't have here's where the WD-40 comes in. And just move back up here a little bit. Okay, I got WD-40 spray all around it, and it should just pop right out. Trying to get this in. Okay, spray some more WD-40 on it, and there we go. Anyway, take the pin out. Make sure you got it lined up the same way as the other one. Okay, let me go get the other one. Okay, like I said, take the pin out, don't lose, and make sure you got everything lined up just right. So you remove this, because you're going to need this part again, because on Amazon this part does not come with it. So here it is. Put this over. Gonna put this through it just like it was on the other one. You can get it to go back in. There we go. Now, gotta put the little seat thing on there. But here's the thing, you gotta make sure this is flat with the surface, or that clamp won't go back on. So use your make-do hammer. I do own a hammer, I promise you. Get this, put it onto there. Let's see. So we get this and push it back on. Alright, now you be sure, I mean, it's just my opinion. Make sure you get a cloth and just kind of lock out this little tracking in through here. Get it clean. It's not bad, but it doesn't hurt. Alright, now here comes the fun part. Yeah. Ooh, look at that. Alright, now we gotta slide it back the door to where it matches up. Bolts back in there. Alright. I sprayed a little bit of WD-40 on them. I think it might be a little bit easier than it is. That made it so much easier. I'm almost do it by hand now. WD-40, everybody's friend. Also heard some people say WD-40 is good for arthritis. I ain't gonna risk that. Alright, now let's tighten it up. Okay, we put the side panel back on here. Remember, you just put your hand in there and slide it on. Put the screw in here. Now this here, remember, putting the tail light back on, there's a little hole right here. You see that little hole? There's a little thing sticking out right there. A little javelin. You gotta make sure you line it up in there, because that's the important thing. Right now, it ain't wanting to line up. Let's see. There we go. I know you couldn't see what I was doing here. There's no way to get the camera in there to see me putting that in. But anyway, I'm just going to do it like this. Ouch, that hurt. There we go. Pop it. You can hear it, little pop. You know you got it. Now I gotta put these little screws in. Make sure we're here. Okay, now just put your screws back in here. It helps if you get it in the hole. And this really is nice and tight. Get your other one. Get it in there. There we go. I knew it ain't gonna be that tight that quick. There we go. Get it nice and tight. There we go. Put your clips back on.